Are you ready to take your vlogging to the next level? In the dynamic world of content creation, the right camera can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, having a reliable vlogging camera can enhance your storytelling and engage your audience more effectively. From crisp video quality to user-friendly features, the right gear can elevate your content and set you apart from the competition. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best vlogging cameras available today, exploring their features, strengths, and what makes each one a standout choice for aspiring and established vloggers alike. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Gavonde W08-C, our find for best budget vlogging camera. Capture your world like never before with the Gavonde W08-C digital camera. Featuring a robust 64-megapixel sensor and UHD 4K video capabilities, this camera is designed to ensure you never miss a moment, whether you're filming engaging YouTube content or snapping vibrant photographs. One of its key strengths is the versatile autofocus system, offering you 3 options: auto, manual, and fixed. This adaptability empowers you to tailor your photography experience to your unique style. Plus, with integrated Wi-Fi functionality, sharing your stunning images and videos on social media becomes effortless, perfect for vlogging or video calls. You'll also appreciate the 180 degrees IPS flip screen that makes taking selfies incredibly easy, allowing you to shoot from any angle as you document your adventures. The 18x digital zoom gets you closer to your subjects, capturing intricate details from a distance. Just be cautious with image clarity, as excessive use of digital zoom can soften details. With a variety of photo and video modes including time-lapse and slow motion, the Gavonde W08-C speaks to your creative side, inviting you to experiment with filters that match your aesthetic. In the realm of entry-level digital cameras, the Gavonde W08-C stands out, combining user-friendly functionality with impressive features and quality. Elevate your photography game and explore endless creative possibilities with this remarkable device. Number 4. Insta360 X3, our find for best 360-degree vlogging camera. Are you looking to elevate your content creation? The Insta360 X3 is the versatile and durable camera you've been waiting for. With its remarkable ability to record stunning 5.7K resolution videos, this camera immerses your audience in breathtaking HDR footage that captures every detail of your adventures. What truly sets the Insta360 X3 apart from traditional action cameras like the GoPro is its unique design and innovative functionality. Waterproof up to 33 feet, you can confidently document your experiences in various environments, whether it's under the sun or in the rain. The 2.3-inch touchscreen offers intuitive control, allowing you to effortlessly switch modes and adjust settings to perfect your shots. Imagine capturing traditional video with a wide 170-degree field of view at up to 4K resolution, ensuring every thrilling moment is documented. One of the standout features is the ability to visually eliminate the optional selfie stick from your footage, creating a seamless effect that makes it look like the camera is floating around you. In addition to built-in image stabilization and horizon lock for smooth content creation, the Insta360 X3 allows you to explore creative options like time-lapses in 8K and slow-motion footage at 4K and 120 frames per second. With voice control and easy data transfer, your filming experience will be both enjoyable and stress-free. Get ready to take your storytelling to new heights with the Insta360 X3. Still searching for the perfect vlogging camera? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Black, our find for best action vlogging camera. If you're seeking to capture every adrenaline-soaked moment of your adventures, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the perfect action vlogging camera for you. With the Max Lens Mod 2, you can expand your shots to an impressive 177-degree field of view, allowing you to showcase not just your thrilling escapades but the breathtaking beauty of your surroundings as well. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its industry-leading battery life, offering up to 80 minutes of continuous recording at 4K at 60 frames per second. Thanks to a newly redesigned power management system, you can create without the constant worry of your battery dying. While GPS support has been removed to enhance this efficiency, you'll find that it allows you to focus solely on capturing incredible moments. The camera's ability to film in a 16:9 aspect ratio without needing to rotate is another major benefit, making it easier for you to frame your shots. This flexibility simplifies your post-production editing, allowing you to dive into the creative process without getting bogged down. Whether you are an experienced professional or just starting your content creation journey, the Hero 12 Black is a worthwhile investment that enhances your storytelling. For an even more tailored experience, consider the Creator Edition, complete with specialized accessories to elevate your creative vision. With the GoPro Hero 12 Black, you're empowered to document and share your adventures in stunning detail, making every moment truly unforgettable. Number 2. Sony ZV-1, our find for best compact vlogging camera. If you're searching for a compact camera that excels at vlogging, the Sony ZV-1 is a brilliant option for you. Tailored specifically for vloggers, this camera sits comfortably in your hand, making it perfect for capturing spontaneous moments wherever you go. The fully articulated screen is a game changer, enabling you to frame your shots easily and ensuring you're always in the picture. Plus, the built-in vlogging microphone delivers clear audio so your audience hears every word distinctly. In terms of video quality, the ZV-1 truly impresses. With 4K recording capabilities and a swift autofocus system, you can create visually striking videos that connect with your viewers. While the 1-inch type sensor may struggle in low-light situations, the overall performance remains outstanding for most filming scenarios. If you're considering an upgrade to the Sony ZV-1 too, keep in mind that while it offers a wider lens for broader perspectives, it lacks optical stabilization. This could impact the smoothness of your footage. Additionally, it comes with a higher price tag, making the ZV-1 a more budget-friendly choice without sacrificing quality. In summary, the Sony ZV-1 is an exceptional camera for anyone serious about vlogging. Its portability and impressive features empower you to elevate your content creation, allowing you to share your adventures and stories with your audience effortlessly. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, our find for best vlogging camera overall. Are you looking for a vlogging camera that matches your on-the-go lifestyle? The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 might be exactly what you need. This compact yet powerful device brings together the high-quality features of larger cameras while remaining lightweight and portable, making it an ideal companion for all your adventures. Imagine capturing stunning visuals with the 1-inch sensor that rivals popular models like the Sony ZV-1 II. With the Osmo Pocket 3, you'll enjoy exceptional video quality, natural bokeh, and improved low-light performance, perfect for both solo and group shots. Advanced face tracking keeps you in focus as you move, ensuring that every moment is captured beautifully. Plus, with shooting capabilities in 4K and an impressive battery life of up to 2 hours, you can produce high-quality content without the stress of running out of power. While the Osmo Pocket the 3rd of May have limitations in photography and underwater use, it truly shines in creating dynamic YouTube or TikTok videos. It's designed specifically for travelers and creators like you, making it easier to document your experiences in vibrant detail. Don't let bulky gear hold you back from expressing your creativity. With the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you can elevate your vlogging experience and share your unique perspective with the world. Every moment is worth documenting, and this camera is here to help you do just that. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which vlogging camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.